Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody sent me this logo tonight, and the main problem they had was the circles would not scale with object. But I've already uh, wrote him an email and told him how to fix that. And I've taken out some of the wordage so I would not infringe on who he was doing this for. I haven't got his okay, but um, I was already doing it, so I thought I'd just take some of the words out so you don't know where this came from or what it's for. It's just an eagle. But it's got a white background, and you can see I've got my yellow box trick, and it looks pretty good there. But if you bring in the yellow box trick, it's got this white that could engrave, and if you were doing it like in a piano finish, it could engrave. I've got my nudge factor set on pretty high on 4 inches. Now there are two problems with what I'm going to do. Is right now the the rings are going behind the wings or the feathers, and when I do what I want to do to take away the white, you'll have to deal with that. So I might have to make a second video. But we're going to get these rings out of the way. We're going to get the date out of the way, and we're going to get these words out of the way. Now, I'm actually going to extend my yellow box so we can see it on this side. I've still got my nudge factor set on the same. I'm not going to change anything. And I'm going to take the white background outline and move it out of the way. And you can kind of see we don't need it. It's not necessary. So I'm going to put it up top. Now I'm going to take the eagle and I'm going to do this to him. I'm going to left click, right click. I'm going to get rid of this black. We don't really need it. I found out when I made the video. Now I'm going to grab it, and if you see, I'm grabbing off the box because each one of these are individual. And if I try to grab here, I'm going to grab my yellow box. Now I could lock the yellow box, but just for the video, I'm not going to. So now we're going to left click the white no fill and right click. Now we can bring our other one back in, and we'll take our smart fill tool, specify no hairline, but black, and fill that in with black. Now you can just nudge over your fill, and your outline doesn't need to go over there. So that looks pretty good, with the exception of now we have some lines through our wordage. And so I'm going to make a second video on how to get rid of those. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.